The son of reggae legend Bob Marley, Julian Marley, is the headliner for the newly released reggae album Reggae Vaccine. The project was produced by Sean Contractor Edwards and features dancehall and reggae acts such as Bounty Killer, Anthony B, Gypsy, Javinci, Africa's Shatta Wale, Wayne Wonder, Ed and Jethro Sharon, and Mojo Morgan from Morgan Heritage. Julian Marley, who leads the album with a love song titled So High, shared details on the track with E-Prime.
The name of the song is So High, which is acoustic. And a wicked acoustic rhythm produced by my brethren Richard Roach, And it's So High, which is like, like a love song on clouds. So the guitar is the clouds, and we are floating on the clouds with the melody and the lyrics.
The album's producer Sean Edwards shared the inspiration behind the project with E-Prime and why he decided to make Julian Marley the headliner.
The purpose of it is to heal people throughout these turbulent times. People who have lost their jobs, people who have lost loved ones. And with Bob Marley's music being so healing throughout the world, in the pandemic, his sales and streams have gone up over 300%. So we decided to have a Marley headline the album. And that was the talented Julian Marley. And then we complemented him with some other great artists.
The Reggae Vaccine compilation album is available on all digital platforms. Now, British footwear brand Clarks is showing their love to its Jamaican fan base with the release of a documentary titled Clarks and Jamaica. In this post, Clarks shared on its Instagram page. Clarks says the connection between the company and Jamaica goes a long way back, and this is a way of celebrating that special bond. The film features Jamaican artists and sporting icons like Coffee, Protege, Leela Ike, Savannah, Nomads, and Raheem Sterling.
Why is Clarks so engraved in Jamaican culture?
The documentary comes after 3 Jamaican-colored modified versions of the popular Wallaby, Desert Boot, and Desert Trek were released. I'm Deidran reporting for E-Prime.